Akkam nagaa fayyaa. Baga nagaan gara chaanelii kiyyaa dhuftan. Hadda hibboo isinitti mul'isa. Hibboon tapha. Hibboo akkamitti taphatanii fi seera isaa isinitti hima. The person that is asking the question is going to say hibboo. The person that's answering is going to say hibbib. And then the person that's asking will ask the question, will ask the hibboo, and they're going to say Beekii him, which means think and tell me. Then the person that is answering the question will say Sokadda Koradda, which means that he's thinking and he's going to ask the person a question. And the person is going to give them some clue and hints to get the answer of the hibboo. Then, if they still do not answer, then they will name a state, a city, a town, or any country. And then the person is going to say, they're going to say, for example, if I said Minnesota, then that person is going to say Minnesota Kiyas Fugugaddu, which means Minnesota, come closer to me. And then it's going to say Kaatiwa Lalite, and he's going to answer the question. And he's going to tell them, and that person is going to tell the answer of the question.
Arraba hin qabu. Daaraa fi awwaara arraba beekii him. Soqadda qoradha. Soqaddu qoradha. Qilleensa. Argatte qilleensa. Qilleensa. Jiraa du'aa baatu beekii him. Soqadda qoradha. Farda kooraa baatu. Argatte. Du'aa jiraa baatu beekii him. Kooraa nama baatu. Argatte. Kooraa nama baatu. Ganama hiyyeessaa galgala dureessa beekii him. Moonaa loonii. Argatte. Moonaa loonii. Moonaa loonii. Yoo bahu mana ilaala. Yoo galu ala ilaala beekii him. Gaafa re'ee. Argatte. Gaafa re'ee. Gaafa re'ee.
Thanks for watching. Galatoma. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you get notified whenever I post another video.